Hi guys, welcome to my channel guys. You remember I promised you that I will be making a video on its own on how my husband did the mokover on the speaker. It's called what? Uh, how to carpet a woofer. Okay guys, so naambiwa hapa not woofer, how to carpet a woofer cabinet. Hapo umesema woofer cabinet. Yeah, woofer cabinet. Oh my god, these are main things and I don't know. And they will love music. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel guys. And I also would love to welcome all the new members. God bless you so much guys for joining this amazing family. But I'm doing this video in the middle of the night. 8:30 almost 9 guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching guys, and when you try it out, if you ever try it out, please tell me, okay? If you plan to try it out, please tell me. Don't let this intro be too long. Guys, enjoy the video.
Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent.
So, this one, he has removed this one. This is the thing that is there, the speaker. And it's quite heavy. What? So, karibu nianguke. He's removing this. But mimi nijaribu nione kama naweza toa. Kumbe bebe hata mimi naweza toa. Naweza toa. Au ukitoa na nguvu nitaharibu. Sawa niache. Okay, mtu anaweza haribu ngozi. Mbao.
Look at all the mess we made. Guess I never know where it went wrong. Sometimes I feel like all that's sad.
You see, he has removed the whole thing. This is how it looks without those things. I don't know what they're called. Zaitwa je hizo makaratasi ama makaratasi hata sijui. Ni ngumu. Those. Guys is black. I was recording on this side which is grayish. This is the one which is supposed to be down. And this one is the one which is supposed to be up. See, it's black. Hey, Chakila, imagine Chloe is awake at 5. And she's very alert. You're very alert. So he's measuring how to see how it can fit. The cover even. Tatosha. Yeah. Look at that guys. So he's applying glue. So that glue is gonna help for it to stick. Sindi your baby mama.
It is the main. What attaches the carpet to the box. Okay.
Guys, and after this, you have to let it dry before you put the carpet.
No, just give it a few
minutes.
A few minutes.
Oh. Guys, the point is to apply glue on every side that you intend to put the carpet. It's gonna cover everywhere, and then after he's done, he will cut. But let me not tell you what he's gonna do. You guys watch. And one thing I wanted to tell you, I hope this is clear because it's so dark. This glue is very dangerous, by the way. You should do it in an open area. You see, tumefungua mlango. I've opened the door, guys. So you should do it in an open area because it chokes. Actually chokes. And put your babies away from here. So you see, as our babies are not here. Make sure the babies are not around. This thing chokes. Hata mimi nasikia tu inanichoke. So Yeah, guys, do it in an open area or open the doors and away from kids.
Children used to run and play. Look at all the mess we made. Guess I'll never know where it went wrong. Sometimes I feel like all that's sad, 'cause viral then people forget. In this crazy world I don't belong. I see fire burning but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground but nobody.
This. Because now we are finishing up on these sides.
Okay.
So where it has to end, itaishia mahali. See, obviously itatoka itatoka hapa hadi hapa, and then sasa hapo patakuwa covered. Unaona, that's why we cut. So sasa hii pia ndakata mahali along hapo katikati. Forget. Ndio zipatane hapo katikati. Along tu penye nimekatia.
Oh, nimeelewa. Okay.
But I think I want to be very careful with this because not so accurate.
But you're doing a great job for our first time. This is the first time you're doing it. You're doing a great job, babe. Guys, unajua you're the king of the DIYs. Ngekoma dhodani matupu. Wakasi ni better. So guys, he's about to do the this is a candle. He has cut like this. You see the way he's cut them. Okay, I didn't want to show everything because the video would be too long and I didn't want the video to be too long. So he's doing it now.
That's a lot of be careful, sikate hii.
Really go long, babe. Tina record zenye unakata na record.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time.
Guys, look at how beautiful this thing is. Anna, Aki he has done an amazing job. Huko ni kando. Hebu ona venye amekata vizuri. I love this. I love. Look at that, guys. It's so beautiful. So, he wants to cut the holes. Kukando. Simuliona the place that he's supposed to put the speaker. Let me show. He's supposed to return it. Akina ni heavy. Guy, babe, siko najua ni this heavy. Yeah, guys. So he's supposed to put this back there. Yeah, you will see, guys. So let him cut now the holes. Here, guys, you have to find the holes first and then you cut it. Tuone.
There will be a time. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again.
Guys, now that he's done carpeting the woofer cabinet, he's gonna put back the speaker, guys, and untie the screws, because it has screws. You tie the screws and it will be done, guys. So keep watching, and I just want to show you how it turned out and also how much it vibrates. Okay, so keep watching, guys, and see how much it vibrates. I just love it. I just love it.
Children used to run and play. Look at all the mess we made. Guess I never know where it went wrong. Sometimes I feel like all that's sad, 'cause viral then people forget. In this crazy world I don't belong. I see fire burning but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground, but
guys, I want to show you how much this speaker vibrates. Okay, watch closely and you'll see how much it vibrates. I had put a certain song, but I saw like I will get a copyright strike, so I decided to mute it and just put a background voiceover. But I don't know, because YouTube and copyright strikes, I really didn't want to get copyright strike. But I wish I could have posted the way it was. Okay, guys, but just was closely. You guys can see it. It's vibrating right now. You can see that, right? So guys, I'll put another background song so that you guys can see it. Just watch and see how much of it. But there, I wish I could have put the song that was playing actually right there, because it was like vibrating. The whole house was vibrating. As in, that effect was amazing. But I will look for another song that doesn't have a copyright, guys, and maybe do it later. I will just maybe fix it in one of my vlogs and stuff like that, but I don't know. But I think you guys saw how much it vibrates. Yeah. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.
children used to run and play. Look at all the mess we made. Guess I never know where it went wrong. Sometimes I feel like all that's sad, 'cause viral then people forget. In this crazy world I don't belong. I see fire burning but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground, but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning, but I'm fine. Now I'm nobody. Now I'm nobody. The future feels so unsure. Didn't we deserve more? The burden that you left is way too heavy for me. Do you ever feel